Meaning of ground control.
Ground control.
Ground control.
Ground control.
Ground control. Ground control refers to the personnel and systems responsible for managing and monitoring the movement of aircraft, spacecraft, or other vehicles from a centralized location on the ground. This involves communicating with pilots, providing them with weather information, guiding them through takeoff and landing procedures, and ensuring that they maintain safe distances from other planes and obstacles. The term originated in the field of aviation, but is now also used in reference to spacecraft and other forms of transportation. Effective ground control is essential for maintaining efficient and safe transport operations across the globe.